Hi, this is Teen Talk. I'm Taylor.
And I'm lost. Emily.
Yeah, today we're going to tell you about Blooby Tunes.
Blooby what? What's Blooby Tunes?
Blooby Tunes, Mrs. Slow. So, Blooby Tunes is from our friend Olivia.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Yes. Okay.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
And you should, if you haven't checked out Blooby Tunes yet, you really
Check
need
it
to.
out now.
Like I said, check it out. Actually, it can't be above her head. Check.
Mean, but check it out because it's awesome.
Okay. So thanks for watching. Teen Talk. We'll talk to you later. Bye.